Hello, my name is Orion Valencia, and today we are reacting to Pomme once again with a new video, new for me anyway, it's about 3 years old. Les Oiseaux? This one, I have no idea how to pronounce it. It says Sessions Acoustic par... Dude, I am not French. I don't know any of this. But we're going to watch it. We're going to listen. This was recommended by Liska, who says, it was great to see you making, it's great to see you back making more videos. Thank you. I'm trying. I'm so busy right now doing a million things and working more than a full-time job. So, thank you for it's great to see you here, commenting, and everybody else too. I always appreciate your impressions and thoughts. I know you listened to Pomme a few months ago. If you have not yet, I think you would enjoy her performance of Les Oiseaux. Oh, you know what? Let's run over to Google real quick. What is Google pronunciation? Can I do that? Pronunciation in English.
So this is said in France as oiseau. Oiseau. So
Oiseaux. Okay, so it's les oiseaux. But what does it mean? Animal. What does less mean? No, that's definitely not what I was looking for. French. The animal. Okay. Okay, so again, correct me if I'm wrong. That's me doing quick Google searches. The Animal by Pomme. Les Oiseaux. I come to you guys for recommendations on how to pronounce things, but all I gotta do is just Google. If that's correct, please let me know. If that's not correct, please correct me. I would like to know the proper version. If you are new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for stopping by and checking this out. I do reaction videos, I do vlog episodes, and I make music myself, so whenever you're done watching this, head over to my channel, check some other content out. I would appreciate it. But otherwise, let's dive right in. Let's watch this. Les Oiseaux.
Si les rues sont si grandes, c'est pour respirer. J'ai un oiseau dans le ventre, je l'ai transporté jusqu'à toi pour le sauver. Quand tombe sur tes...
She's got Studio Ghibli pants on. She's got Studio Ghibli pants on. What is I see the Spirit Away. I forget what you call that guy. He's the hungry guest at the bathhouse. And then, oh my gosh, is that all Spirited Away? Yeah, it's Spirited Away pants. Oh my gosh. I just fell even more in love with Pomme than before. Okay, cool. Let's keep watching.
Un voile de flocons, c'est le froid qui habille les toits des maisons quand le ciel te fait des dons. C'est un endroit rêvé pour les oiseaux. Ils viennent s'y reposer quand leur cœur est gros. J'ai frappé à ta porte sans te prévenir. À l'âge des amours mortes, t'as su me cueillir dans tes bras pour me guérir. je reviendrai m'étendre près du parc Laurier. Si tu savais m'attendre, on se marierait quelque part au mois de mai. C'est un endroit rêvé pour les oiseaux. Ils viennent s'y reposer quand leur cœur est gros. Oh, mon ancrage rêvé après le chaos. Je viens te retrouver comme les oiseaux.
Oh, wow. Oh, is there more? What's going on? I don't... That... Wow. Pomme. You know, I think I mentioned this before, and it's just the fact that somebody can be so talented and good at relaying their spirit, you know, into their music, that like I not a single word was understood for me because I don't speak French. I don't know what she said, any of that, and I'm sitting here, I'm like tearing up, you know, I'm so blown away. It's so beautiful. I'm sure if I were to read the lyrics, I was curious if they had like closed captioning for the lyrics in here. I don't know if they would do a good job, but anyway, yeah, just it's so beautiful. I mean, how amazing of an artist can you be when you stick a really good artist in some sort of cathedral with an auto harp and it's just the most beautiful thing ever. The reverberation in that room was absolutely stunning, amazing, a beautiful sound. She's so good at playing it, and her voice is so off the charts, man. Like, beautiful, calming, and just the notes that she hits, the way that she goes about jumping between them. I mean, wow. So good. There's so much to say, so much to... What a beautiful place to be performing at. Wow. Wow. That's really cool. Thank you, Liska, for recommending this. If anybody else in the comments section, please let me know if you want to see me react to anything specifically. And make sure to like and comment. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, so that you can see more awesome content. And if you haven't at this time, head over to my channel and check out some other cool stuff. Check out my music, leave me some love, and because I love you all, and thank you so much for being here and supporting. I will see you in the next video. Take care.